Adia wo ye no manim benefit on mine na wutimu no. Na no na Donald Trump ba wahye ase opamo nkofo immigration no opamo mu immigrants illegal deportation or ye kofos na Donald Trump dey na wo ye afi crowd wo sisika wo de beboa Africa for USA din asefo no so watwam na no na ye maame for the first time yenya oba se obeche forces no wo hwe military na council no chairman no ono na military side no asrafo no yese ono na enye chairman na no na obi busa na question na ye ma me kire se what is Donald Trump eti wona wo kire ne ho na watwam na watwam ena wo ka bibia kire no ye ma me nie
about the outside world and foreign aid, and I've heard the president of the country you are studying in slashing aid. You see, one of the questions we have now, he hasn't asked himself, how much leaves our continent to his country? He hasn't asked himself that. They think it's just charity. It is not. At the right time, we'll also take action. And it will not be funny.
Yeah, ma say Donald Trump, yeah, catchero. Aye, ye near Hunano. So what say, oh, my sika. Omwaye eyose wo boaye ya yenso Ghana for emre pamu no yenso ebekeka ye ho ne yekeka ye ho a enya agudi ya santua of the day na no na ba ye no as usual politics wom kofo ye ma me na wo free hin na Ghana de eye den na wo kotea Donald Trump ye pe America ko USA visa ye kobobo na de na okeka kikei Donald Trump de onye but one na wo mti diplomacy na se no including some of us no. We were so happy with Nyomana Okai. The intine say, Yema meka bibi say, Donald Trump no, and you maybe one shed anya research bibri, unim se bibia America. But onim sika USA for nye free Africa. Inti yanko ya quick research na fi minimi ni apenyi omahine entwetwe enkomo. Na Kofi. Yema mi asem Okai nti yenko na yenkohwe ade bi right one of the UK or a writers or somebody or into justice pepe mu
sure
your friend Nick Diarden
okay
na Nick Diarden or throw article bi na efa won say de bia no omuti abrochire wa no man say Africa for the ohia Africa for the omunim de omuye Africa for the omutitunua so
sure
Africa for the and na eye na hi. So in 2017, 24th of May, I'm not sure article be, but your article in the Facebook brand maybe, or say Africa is not on a natural abrofuno because I bet now but Oti America UK ne han say as if say omo kase ni nyina say Africa for the say be enim de
ye here for ye
de bia ye jiska ye be gienti adase. And not trust our article we ma womo. And not say Africa is not poor. We are stealing its wealth.
Let's say a biblimu hano. Here, name Momo Brofuni area. Okay. Bruni natural man yonku Bruni. Samunya dia na moke kawo hono. Na Africa na de bia mo Africano. Here ni ho. Yen ye hia wo mo. Bruni on some kind of Bruni be me honest. Ki we so be me ana no. On can be cram mamp.
In the first statistics no to confirm what vice president na all can for us to know say vice president onim dia worka say Donald Trump and no ye Donald Trump no onye obia
sure
ye ne ya to say America for there be ye ne amo e bra yi ba sha ha kinkan mai ba to bra Facebook na ye nhwe sika ye koje Africa every year as of 2017 any sika nko a wo mu hwie free ha enchikinkai.
Now I will say that's the essence of a report from several campaign groups released today based on a set of new figures. It finds that sub-Saharan Africa is a net creditor to the rest
creditor to a creditor to the rest of the world to a tune of more than
$41 billion. Sure, there is money going in.
Or see, a woman say, yeah, the Sika eba on my Africa. One on drama, you know. So I just say Africa,
Sure.
By yen ye wiaum. Or say, yes, a woman say, yeah, the Sika bebre air, she can say.
Or say $161 billion a year in the form of loans.
Into your momo loans.
Remittance.
Yeah, the Sika Framan on any deba.
And aid. Or say, but there is also $203 billion.
And a woman say, your mom musica, oh, highest your momo loan, your momo grant, your momo tamale, Japan for momo oh, UK buy support here $50 million here and find your way. A woman say, yeah, the big dear. Now so no cre woman ye, she can't go against ye real through moho. Kenkai.
Or say some of this is direct.
Or say, but there is
also $203 billion leaving the continent. Some of this is direct.
Into the calculation, into no count 41 billion.
41 billion.
Into the auction say, a woman say, yeah, 161 billion.
Sure.
Now, Susika, a free or minimum every year, no, 203 billion.
Duty free more.
Into a quarter say, my boy, be 1,000, but me nyam 35 through.
There's a duty free more as ya my business boka with.
But you say, now we ska, no amount 1,000. But me for coins where we are by the end of the day, me 1,005 through.
I guess so. Sikandi the odie me anam de ma otua nkaka but when fa soaminya wo so no
exactly. It was say Africa we say a year no yenya be 161 billion but sika a free ha ye wia enquire over 203 billion na wuti free ma na say yes omo de yeka.
Okay, and you say essentially multinational, I mean, some of this is direct, such as $68 billion is mainly dodged taxes.
Inti tax nkwa abrofo be ye adwuma wa ha. Multinational companies omuntua e before boa wo nkwa akeka bo mayi a $68 billion. Kai say e koji just $3 billion from IMF. But okay kanim nyina bo ma annually eto e wosan ka abrofo ni tua.
E maye no.
Aye ye ma mu dwidwane kono nkwa akeka bo ma. And no quite $68 billion.
Ibu okra ye nheda na ye ma omudi dwane wo se me ma besia conditions ni bi ne say maybe ye adwuma bi a wo nyimi sei. Yo mo keka mfa so ni bo mu a okay. Essentially multinational corporations steal much of this legally by pretending they are really generating their wealth in tax havens.
And to be no ma ya Hagana ha ye free zone.
Sure.
Free zone. Into free zone ontia. Oh, why bon says oh, be ye juma 5 years. Mentia etwo. Me be ye juma why would ye fa we juma ne bra. But 5 years ya man tax haven. Now when you see cat tam no de kwa bruchiri.
Or see these so-called illicit financial flows amount to around 6.1% of the continent's entire gross domestic product.
Right, to us on next one.
Or 3 times what Africa receives in aid.
All right. Next one quickly. Now, mention of figures in the baby omudi area. But catch us ye was catching USA for.
Oh, sure.
But I don't confront Tiasi. And today, ye was catching USA for.
Say ye was ye tisicano so.
Ye was catching USA for.
Ye tisicano so. Ye one.
Yeah, the other ones need to. Me what the way a article a bro need Troy who say Africa. You hear ye name of ye. Next one, what's it saying?
Also, then there is the $30 billion that these corporations repatriate.
It is as cano. From we a bank, not the co. Says can you say Quebec be a bank no $30 billion in Africa, no more the co. In the name of profit.
Or say they make in Africa but send back to their home country or elsewhere to enjoy their wealth. The city of London is a wish with profits extracted from the land and labor of Africa.
It's you call a land in so brony bar so grass and qua. A ye sikana be and no dear yes grass and quana when yagino. Can connect where it been so much said we are kind money near can once
indirect.
All right.
Okay, I can't direct. You can indirect. So there are also more indirect means by which we pull wealth out of Africa.
Number one.
Today's report estimates that $29 billion a year is being stolen from Africa in illegal lodging.
Enti lodging ne ye se wo hu se timber track and namwa.
Sure.
Wo se de bia ya no mani abre. Timber track ne atwitwa ye se atwitwa nua ne atwitwa nua. Unim from that. In Africa, as of 2017, we were losing $29 billion from a Nhyira yentimi accounting for no.
Fishing.
Hey. Fishing. Oko a year, you were petrolers. China for now to talk to boats nina. Uni mobile kono. Nay, Ghana for na. You see a yomudia, and so a China for dia. Obeko, baby, a year in Patano. A dini nina ye Ghana for din.
Sure.
Ebia akokwa boat. And so now a China ni.
And
but we amount 10% of our din ye.
Bakuya ye koya or say ya konedi.
That is it.
China,
it was a fishing and trade of wildlife.
Okay.
$36
billion is owed to Africa as a result of the damage that climate change will cause to their societies and economies as they are unable to use.
Wow. President Kase President Kufado Kase munyi sika no because ye ka climate amona mo say asase no ti mo fa ye hu sika ne bra ye bre ne ye ho yare ne sunsanso no muntia ye ka
on say now kind last part now say our climate crisis was not caused by Africa but Africans will feel the effect more than most others. Needless to say, the funds are not currently forthcoming.
Next one quickly wow. Nafi embrace to you. Vice President, one say, I Ghana politics in Intino. The Vice President Kayanka or Membia so. Kiebe Bonabaso say, what me Jina Kache Donald Trump say, yes, you will ade Africa, you will to me, you will ska. Sure. It is only when yes, you be. But where the Isro, hey, ma, dear son, now okay, yes, we men call America, go America for the Muhu. But America need us, we don't need America. Because Donald Trump said, no, oh, here will be a. And I didn't yentimin say, yes, we here America. After all, so we finances ma. Oh my, you do more capanya America for China.
Sure.
And any China phones you cool.
But Nina boils down to your way of thinking. Any said ya dream afasi the boy brabo because also as of my ya dream will be my boy.
All right, into kind Ghana is losing the
also Ghana is losing 30% of its government revenue to debt repayments, paying loans, which were often made speculatively based on high commodity prices and carrying hoping rates of interest.
Or say based on research no. Just Ghana si ajiji ya kon masika ni nyina na ni atimu 30%. Inti aje 100 billion Ghana cedis ni atimu be 30 billion Ghana cedis ni da kodua bosia ye koje ye. Enu nti na ban we ban no okoje bosia di kotua bosia MPP aban. Inti o say nye nyansa ba kwa ye woni say ya bro bosia na nti etimi koje bosia ne da betua bosia na de bia bosia no da yanim
Nancy koye debt restructuring ni nyina koye say interest esi etua ne ade yetu akwanim ene de ekeka ka wona ya adwen me de ya adwen because ya adwen no as a before no ye fin say akoye say ya wo ato ba bi na nipa wo ho nyina wo madwen ye wo mo say bia ha de sebi yenkoye ni mu nkoduru mpempensuo bi ebi afa ne se JHS yenko school nkoduru JHS na wo no wanye outlier wanye wadwen se wo de obedwene abrosa ankrofo na obefan se ye normal life Africa ha obi afin se before the dan abrofo yentimi nya hwe sa na ya adwene ti o etu ba Ghana ha ye politics aye ne ye bibia ye se ye koji loan ye ko bond ene beboa ye ne dia be explanation yakogi bia bebo ye ho bra yakogi se dia fa ne normal ene me ye bre bank ye kapa gold no mo ne japade obo ade bobro dia maye wo abibiman mu ha no se ne atoro ne ada no ma sha ase a wo mo explore no man nya me dia che wo betumi agina so abobra and we've seen se Burkina sha ase Niger mo ne ade wo mu nyina tinke around how obo ade bobro dia mo the wealth in Africa no o betumi ayusu yen ye de nana we are still yen ria yintimi nka nchira brofo ne se de ahamu adidi mu eye yen so ye be ye de because won sa hwe obi anum se ye de ka ye se ayi match yi kura sika e kotua nya agoro
obitua
ye hawo no adwene no e ka ho